Dear students, in our previous video, we have discussed about sentence, types of sentences, and parts of sentence. In this video, we will be discussing about subject and predicate in detail.
Yes, children. Now we will discuss about subject in detail. What is a subject? The subject is the person or the thing we are talking about. It may consist of one word or many words. Yes, kids, the subject in a sentence tells us whom or what the sentence is about. Now, look at this example to understand subject. Honesty is the best policy. Children, now I am going to tell you 3 steps to identify the subject in a sentence. The easiest way to find out the subject in a sentence is first, identify the verb part. Read this sentence and tell me what is the verb part here. Yes, you're right. Is the verb here and the verb part is the best policy. Now, next step is ask a question who or what before the verb. So children, how you will frame the question here? What is the best policy? Now, the answer which you will get will be your subject. Answer of the question gives the subject. So, answer is honesty. So, honesty is your subject here. If you can identify the verb, so it is easy for you to identify subject also. Yes, children. Now we will be discussing about predicate. What a predicate is and how we can identify the predicate in a sentence. The predicate tells us something about the subject. It may also consist of one word or many words. So, how we can find out predicate in a sentence? Again, there are 3 steps to identify the predicate in a sentence. Predicate is also known as telling part. It begins with the verb, which tells us something about the subject. Now, look at this example. Hemant stole my pen. So, first, children, identify the verb here. Tell me the verb. Yes, the verb is stole. And the verb part or telling part of this sentence is stole my pen. Then ask a question who or what before the verb. Who stole my pen? So the answer is Hemant. So the subject is Hemant and the verb part or telling part is predicate. That is stole my pen. Now children, we will have some exercises. Find out the subject and the predicate in the following sentences. Read the first sentence. Delhi is hot in the month of June. To identify the subject and the predicate, first find out the verb. Yes, the verb is here. And the telling part or verb part is hot in the month of June. So you can say is hot in the month of June is predicate here. Now frame a question. Which city is hot in the month of June? So your answer is Delhi. So Delhi is subject here. Now come to the next sentence. Lilies are beautiful flowers. Find out the verb part. Verb is are and the verb part is are beautiful flowers. So are beautiful flowers is the predicate. Now frame a question. Which flowers are beautiful? Answer is lilies. So lilies is subject here. Next sentence is Akhil and Sumit study in the same class. Now find out the verb here. Verb is study. And the telling part is study in the same class. So study in the same class is predicate here. Now frame a question. Who study in the same class? Answer is Akhil and Sumit. So the subject is Akhil and Sumit. Now the last sentence is Charles Dickens was a great writer. The verb part is was a great writer. So the predicate is was a great writer. Now ask a question. Who was a great writer? I know your answer is Charles Dickens. So the subject is Charles Dickens. So children, in today's session, we have discussed about sentences, types of sentences, and subject and predicate. I hope you have understood these all topics. With this video, I am sending you PDF of the grammar book exercise of chapter 1. First, you try to solve those exercises with your own. Then check your answers from the given PDF. Thank you. Have a nice day.